What's the meaning of canister? Canister. Canister.
Canister. Canister. A canister is a container designed to hold and preserve something, usually a substance or gas. It typically has a cylindrical shape with a lid that can be removed for access. Canisters are commonly used for storing and transporting various types of liquids, such as fuel or chemicals. They can also be used to hold compressed gases, such as oxygen or propane, for use in welding or cooking. In short, a canister is a versatile and practical tool for containing and preserving a variety of materials in different contexts.